Hello everyone, welcome to Daily Lead Code Challenge. So the problem that we are going to discuss today is buddy strings. So you will be given two strings which consists of only lowercase letters. You need to check if they are buddy strings and return true. So what do we mean by buddy strings? So you can take one string and swap exactly two characters in that string, and you should be able to generate the other string. So if you are able to generate the other string by swapping two characters in the first string, then they will be buddy strings and you have to return true. For all other cases, you have to return false. So let's look at the examples so that we can get more clarity. So in the first example, we have two strings AB and BA. So to make buddy string, we can swap two characters. So let's take the first string AB. So if we swap AB, so it becomes BA, so which is equal to string B. So we can return true in this case. So the second example, we have exactly same string. So both strings are equal, AB and AB. So in case if we swap the characters in the first string, so it becomes BA. So it is not equal to string B. So we have to return false. So whenever the two strings are equal, we cannot make buddy strings. So this is one case. So the third example, again we have two strings which are equal, but this is slightly different case compared to the example 2. So here again we have duplicate strings, uh, but here we can generate buddy strings because we have duplicate characters here. So when the strings are equal, there are two cases. One case, all the characters in the string are different, and the other case, we have at least one duplicate character. So when we have duplicate character, we can make the buddy string. In example 4, we have two strings of same size, but the characters are different. So we can swap last two characters BC to make CB. So it becomes a buddy string of B. And in the last example, we have one string with empty string. The second one has two characters AA, so we cannot make buddy string. So basically, there are three cases here. The first one is if the string size is not equal. So when the strings are not size is not equal, we cannot make buddy string, so we can straight away return false. The second case is where you have two strings of same size, and they are they are exactly equal. So in this case, when the strings are equal, we have again two cases. When all the characters in the string are different, and the other case is where we have at least one duplicate character. So when all the characters are different, we cannot make buddy string, so we have to return false. When there is at least one duplicate character, we can swap the duplicate character and make still generate the same string. In the last case where we have different strings but of same size, in this case we should check character by character and check if it is possible to swap two characters and still generate the second string. So let's look at the constraints. So the strings can be of size from 0 till 20,000. So we need to process the strings only once. That means we should have a linear complexity of uh, our code. So we cannot afford to do in O of n square method. So let's see that code. So first case is straight away we can check the size. If the size are not equal, we can return false. This takes care of example 5 in our case where the size is different. And then we have second block where this complete if block where it takes care of cases where the strings are equal. So this takes care of example 2, 2 and 3 where we have strings with same size. In fact, strings with same size and both the strings are equal. So when both the strings are equal, we just check every character in one of the strings, see if there is any duplicate character. So when the count of one of the characters is more than one, that means we encountered at least one character which is having a duplicate character. So when there is a duplicate character, then we straight away return true because in any case we can swap that duplicate character and make the same string again. If we don't have any duplicate character, then we return false. So this takes care of example 2. Example 2 where we cannot make a buddy string. Then finally we have this one. This takes care of example 4 where the strings are of equal size but the strings are different, the characters in the strings are different. So when the strings are different, what we need to do is to swap two characters and still generate the same string, we should have only the two strings should differ by only two characters, and the characters in those two positions should be same in the other string. So we keep track of those two positions. So whenever there is a difference of characters between A and B string, we just push it to vector ID with the corresponding index. So finally we check if the size is 2 or not. The size of mismatching index should be 2, and the characters at the first position should be equal to the character at the second position in the second string, same and vice versa. So in that case, we have an answer true. So let's execute and see how it works for the example test cases. So it works fine. So let's submit and check that time complexity. Yeah, the solution has been accepted. Let's check the runtime. Yeah, so all the test cases have been passed and runtime is 4 milliseconds because we are not doing any extra processing. We are just processing the string only once. Thanks for watching. Please provide your feedback. See you in the next video.